ब्यूटीफुल कोची। और हम लोग तैयार हो चुके हैं। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू एलेपी एंड वी हैव टू पिक अ बाइक, सो बाय द वे वी आर गोइंग बाय बाइक, सो इट्स अराउंड 1.5 hours फ्रॉम हियर एंड विल बी लीविंग इन लाइक 15-20 minutes फ्रॉम दिस होटल। हम अपना लंच करेंगे एंड देन विल गो टू एलेपी एंड वी आर गोइंग टू स्टे देयर इन अ ट्री हाउस। आर यू एक्साइटेड? स्टे ट्यून्ड। सो बिफोर वी लीव मैंने सोचा मैं आपको अपना थोड़ा होटल दिखा देती हूँ और कोचीन भी, तो चले। We are going to pick a bike and after picking a bike we'll be going to have some Kerala food. So we have come to Cochin Fort to pick up our bike and there are lots of shops here which includes your clothes, spices. This is one of the Kashmiri shop I visited. They had a incredible collection. If you can see, there are shawls, stores, blankets with such amazing colors, very pretty to wear. So we will try visiting this area while coming back, but now our road trip starts from Cochin to Alleppey. Guys, हम finally पहुंच गए हैं एक लोकल जगह पे। We wanted to go to Mary's Kitchen which is a very famous place in Kochi, but वो बंद है because of COVID. So हम लोग निकल गए एलेपी के लिए और रास्ते में हम यहाँ पे रुके एक छोटे से ढाबे पे and we'll try some Kerala food, local Kerala food here, and I am really excited. Our food, this is idiyappam, that's some parotha, that's some chicken curry, and we have ordered chicken 65 which is yet to come. Is the fishing area and it's called, these nets are called Chinese fishing nets. So on our way to Alleppey we stopped at a local bakery to check out all the evening snacks option which we're looking for, and it's really amazing. I hope आप लोगों को मेरे साथ रोड ट्रिप का मज़ा आ रहा होगा। और हम एलेपी से 30 मिनट दूर आ गए हैं where we have a hotel, और बस हम कुछ ही देर में अपने होटल पहुंचने वाले हैं। So हमने ले लिया था गलत रास्ता and we came to this beautiful location, और डेड एंड पे आके पता चला that we came to a wrong place. अब हम वापस जा रहे हैं and we are going to the right. So this is the entrance. We've reached our resort which is the Warm Hotels Lake Haven Resort. It is beautiful. I will show you the places around it. It is located right next to a backwater area and just look at it. आपको पता है कितना सस्ता है? I was quite surprised that I was booking this hotel क्योंकि मैं expect करी थी बहुत महंगा होगा, but this was hardly for 6,000 rupees for 2 days, and which includes breakfast and a tree house. So let's go and visit this beautiful resort. Now it's time to see our tree house. by the time we reached and we explored our resort a bit, रात हो गई थी. It was time for dinner, so we were looking for a local toddy shop where we can have some local food and toddy. Hey guys, so finally we have come for our dinner. So we have come to a toddy shop in Kerala. So this is on Alleppey Road only. हमारे resort से 40 minutes दूरी पे है. And the best part is it's open. क्योंकि यहाँ पे जितनी भी toddy shops है सब बंद थे and they serve the traditional food. So we have ordered some curry mean, kappa, mutton curry, and what? You know, we have ordered some toddy. I don't know what this is. This is made of nariyal. It tastes amazing. I guess it's a little bit alcoholic, but anybody who comes to Kerala should try this because this is very famous. Now I will eat my dinner and I will show you how it is. So our dinner is here. This is mutton curry. That's kappa. And that's some appam. Look at this fish. That's some amazing steamed fish. And we have got a family room. 2 people and so much food. Guys, I'm back. So आज है day 2 in Alleppey and basically हमारा resort is like 30 minutes from Alleppey and there is not much to do. हमने पूरा resort explore कर लिया आज और कल में जो आपने देखा भी. Now we are all set to go to the main Alleppey. We are planning to eat some food, some good food since it's 1 p.m. And post that we are planning to maybe go for a boat ride. Let's see what options we have there. So let's go. Can you see that shop right in front of you? That's the toddy shop and to reach there you have to literally take a boat and go to the other side. So that's where we are going right now and our bike ride begins. Finally we got a boat and यहाँ पे boat आपको ऐसे नहीं मिलती. You have to like go and check where boats are standing right next to the houses and you have to like ask them if they can drop you and they can wait for you and get you back. Because there is no stop here where you can like randomly find a boat. So finally we got a boat for 300 rupees. He will take us to the other end of this backwaters. There we'll have our food, we'll chill for a bit and then he'll get us back. Finally. Toddy shop where we are going to have our lunch today. So here they have made little family rooms. In all toddy shop you will find little family rooms if you want to come with your family and spend some time. Otherwise there's an outside area like this where you can sit and have your food and the view from here is ta-da! Isn't it nice, beautiful? So guys, our lunch has come after so long. We are having our lunch. We're supposed to have at 2. It's 4 because जो भी lunch के जगह यहाँ पे सब बंद हो चुके थे. And finally I'm having this parotha. And this is fish curry. Here it's called karmi. It's a kind of fish. Very nice. Let's start. These people, they live in this house which is full of water everywhere. This happens because of paddy field and then they use boat to commute. This is so interesting. This is like us using bike or a car. So in Kerala, you'll always find these kind of little shops on the road where they serve you banana fritters, they serve you varas, idlis, and they're open late night. So it's very interesting. If you're hungry and you want to try some street food, you can go here. Now exploring Alleppey all day. We are so tired. We are going back to our tree house since our day 2 is over in Alleppey and tomorrow we'll be going to our houseboat. So finally we have reached the area where we are going to catch our houseboat. So can you see the number of boats which have been parked here? Apparently our houseboat is parked the other side, and we'll come this side, and then we'll have to catch our boat from here. We'll have to wait for another 15-20 minutes, and then I will show you the houseboat we're going to stay today. That's the houseboat. And I guess that's the lane for the rooms, and here is the view. So guys, that's the lobby, and ta-da, that's the room. It's a mini room because we booked a very budget houseboat. This houseboat is for 6,000, which include all the meals. So yeah, and that is your washroom. The room in the houseboat, and you know what? It's bigger than the tree house room. I'm really liking it. You can see the area around. Although our houseboat with the chala nahi, I'm still waiting for it, but it is.
Don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong.
Finally, they have stopped our houseboat. This is our houseboat, by the way, and they have stopped our houseboat in between to just check out this area, and we are going to check this area out. Let's go. So if you are a fish fan, you can pick a fish from here, and you can ask your houseboat chef to cook this for you and enjoy it.
I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? Grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong.
Before I start anything, I wanted to tell you one thing very important. कि यहाँ houseboat is a sham. I'll tell you why. ये आपको basically 1 बजे निकालते हैं, 1 बजे दोपहर के. चेक-इन टाइम होता है 12 बजे. 1 बजे दोपहर को निकालेंगे ये आपकी हाउस बोट, एंड देन दे विल टेक इट, ब्रिंग इट बैक जहाँ से निकाली थी 6 बजे, एंड दे विल पार्क द हाउस बोट, एंड देन नेक्स्ट डे इन द मॉर्निंग दे विल टेक इट आउट अगेन. ओके, मॉर्निंग फॉर 1 hour, 8 to 9. So basically it's better to go on a, what do you call that? Shikara than a houseboat. Now since they have parked this houseboat in front of a field, so we are going to explore it, क्योंकि हमारे पास और कुछ करने को नहीं है. Okay, let's go. Good morning. So we have started our journey back to Kochi. So while going to Kochi from Alleppey, the petrol got over in our bike. There was this man with his bike just looking at us, and he gave us the petrol from his bike, and he did not take any money from us. People in Kerala are so helpful. And our bike ride started again.
But I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong.
In Kochi, we have come to Taj Malabar Resort and Spa. Here we are planning to have some seafood in their very famous The Rice Boat restaurant. Soup is here. So our amazing food is here. That's crab, and this is some tiger prawns, and these are some instruments basically to eat this. So after having our lunch, we came to Port Cochin area to explore it a bit since we missed it while going to Alleppey and our flight is tomorrow. और गाइस, अगर आप केरला आए और आपने स्पाइसेस नहीं खरीदे तो ट्रिप इनकम्प्लीट होती है थोड़ी सी. सो हम ये केसी कॉरपोरेशन आए हैं जहाँ पे स्पाइसेस की प्रोसेसिंग होती है एंड यू विल फाइंड ऑल काइंड ऑफ स्पाइसेस हियर. सिंस इस वक्त कोची में कोविड की वजह से मोस्ट ऑफ द स्पाइस शॉप्स आर क्लोज्ड जहाँ पे आपको सस्ती मसाले मिलते हैं. सो लेट्स गो एंड एक्सप्लोर दिस प्लेस. यू कैन फाइंड दिस प्लेस ऑन गूगल मैप्स ऑल्सो. And I ended up buying 7 types of spices. Just look at it. On that note, I end my video, and do subscribe, like and leave a comment if you like my video, guys. Please take care. Bye bye. See you soon.